Create a variety of questions in Question Library to use for quizzes, self-assessments, and surveys in your current and future courses. This tutorial outlines the different question types available in Question Library. All available question types display when you create a new question in Question Library. Standard question types, such as multiple choice and true or false, are available. You can also create fill-in-the-blanks, ordering, matching, and multi-select questions. Multi-select questions differ from multiple choice in that learners can choose more than one correct answer.
Utilize short answer or written response options when you want learners to provide responses to open-ended questions.
The multi-short answer question type provides you with the opportunity to have multiple answer boxes all corresponding to a single answer set. This allows you to create only one set of answers that the system checks against multiple responses. Create significant figures and arithmetic questions to assess your learners' science and math knowledge. Want to see how learners feel about an assessment they completed, a module you presented, or even an entire course? You can also create Likert questions in Question Library. Use these questions in surveys to gauge learner satisfaction. Create a variety of questions in Question Library to use for quizzes, self-assessments, and surveys in your current and future courses.